Hey y'all, we just came from the liquor store. We walking in the street. That's the only store open, Mr. Liquor. We got the community here, everybody shoveling snow, trying to get through their car. You gotta walk in the street to get to the snow. Look at the sidewalks. Look at how thick this is. 2026 blizzard, guys. Okay, now tell me something. Let's think about this, guys. All these other trees, everything got snow on it, right? There's one tree right here, got no snow. Barely any snow. Look at this. And it still got leaves. How it still got leaves on this? This is the survivor here. Look at this. Can't walk on the sidewalk. Look at this. Snow? No snow. Tell me how that works. Okay, now look it. Okay, be careful. Right there is wet? Okay, so let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay. Oh, yeah, you're right. Right. Oh, look at us surfing, snow surfing to get back into the house. Snowboarding. Look at this. Look at how we, look at this. Look at this, guys. How was that?